Floral Design. In Illustrator, to make a floral design, collect lots of flowers, leaves, vines, different designs element. Take one copy of each. Base color pink. Arrange them according to the shirt. Arrange them. Design is ready. Font name Mystery Quest. Use personal and commercial free. Group. Click Pathfinder. Select Divide. Ungroup Design. Magic Wand Tool. Select pink color. Click Unite. Lock this layer. Delete all other colors. The color of the design can also be changed. Drag the design into Photoshop. Select Multiply. Go Layer. Create Clipping Mask. The floral pattern enhances the t-shirt's aesthetic appeal. The design wraps around the garment, showcasing its beauty. The Photoshop application results in a stylish and eye-catching floral t-shirt. Post-Photoshop application, the floral design adorns the bag mock-up. The cohesive pattern enhances the bag's visual appeal, showcasing its beauty. The result is a stylish and eye-catching bag design, highlighting the versatility of the applied pattern.